Hey, this is Alex, founder and CEO of Skip. I'm going to show you how to integrate Skyp and Syft data so that you can quickly identify visitors to your website or people that interact with you on LinkedIn and send them emails in a great AI written campaign. You start over on Skip by creating a new campaign. We're going to do that now. I'm going to name it something obvious so I can come back and know what this is about, email website visitors. Then I'm going to tell it what to do in that campaign. I'm going to tell the AI to write emails to the people that visited the website, but I'm also going to tell the AI not to mention that they visited the website. This is a strategic choice. Some people like mentioning that. I don't, but it's effective if you want to do it. I'm also going to make sure that it uses the context that's provided by Syft data in the payload that it'll send to us, which you'll see in a couple minutes. Now that's set up, I'm going to continue and set up a call to action. Because all we're doing here is scheduling a meeting, that's all I'm going to put here. I'm going to use my Calendly link for that. If I wanted to, I could add another call to action, like check out our blog or some other thing, but they've already been on the website, so that doesn't really make as much sense in this context. Here, I'm going to add a contact because I have to. I'm just going to add myself using a different email. Also makes it easy to test, but you need a contact on the campaign to be able to advance. And then campaign settings, I'm going to leave the defaults because 3 emails seems like enough. If I wanted to, I could really follow up for a long time with these people. Here, I'm going to limit it to just 60 words because there's not a whole lot to say. They were on the website. This email is going to get to them within minutes of that visit. So I don't want it to be complicated or difficult. I want them to just be on their phone or on their desktop and click a Calendly link to book a meeting. So once I click next, I don't even have to actually review the sequence. Instead, I can just hop back to the campaign setup and go connect Syft data using the integration here. So I'm going to add contact via Syft data. I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and then I'm going to go over to Syft data. So here you can see that I'm in the Syft UI. All I'm going to do here is create a motion that you can use the chat. I'll just show you how to build it yourself by clicking create manually. I'm going to name this something obvious like Skip integration for website visitors. I recommend doing a different integration for LinkedIn. You do the exact same thing, but because I'm going to do a different integration for LinkedIn where I will mention that they interacted with me on LinkedIn, I'm going to disable LinkedIn here and just leave the identified by first-party tracking or de-anonymization. First-party tracking is somebody who filled out a form. So if you don't want somebody to be reached out to who did fill out a form, maybe you have other enrollments, other automations happening, you can disable that. I'll actually disable that one now. And then down here, you just click anywhere by webhook, paste in the URL, and click the test button. The webhook worked. If you want to make extra sure it works, you can go back to Skip, look in your contacts for someone named Sarah, which is their test payload. And you can see that she's there, and you can see all the additional context that Syft passes, everything they know about this person, including their interactions with your website. So that's it. If I click create motion and launch the campaign over in Skip, just by going back into that campaign and clicking launch, it will start automatically emailing my website visitors with that campaign. You can absolutely go back in, review the campaign, edit it, and fine tune it to your needs. But I hope this was useful. It's a great way to drive a lot more engagement out of website traffic you already have. Feel free to sign up at skyp.ai or schedule a demo and we can show this to you live.